Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Last 2 months markets have been very volatile, and today also it was too volatile. Morning it went up 100 point, then came down by 250 point, again shot up 250 point, again came down 200 point, Markets were going all over the places, and markets are just too volatile to handle. So thank God the SEBI has brought in a lot of restrictions. The retail traders are not killed. And Nifty broke 23,500 decisively. I told you the opening itself, the GIFT Nifty was indicating. So once that low was broken, it went for a free fall of about 150 points. Then recovered, that's a different story. Yesterday, the Nifty fell about 200 points from intraday high to low, and today Nifty fell 250 points from intraday high to low. The markets are continuously falling. HDFC Bank. So after falling for 5 straight days, today I thought, it might not fall, but today also it fell. In the morning, all the banking stocks were down. HDFC Bank was not falling, at least it did not break a previous day's low. But then later in the afternoon, there was a huge selling, so even that was broken. Broader market, the picture looks very bad. And today, the Nifty is down only about 0.4%. But look at the Bank Nifty, look at the Nifty Junior, or next 50. Or look at the mid cap, small cap. I think those stocks started, falling now only. So Nifty Junior fell 2%, mid cap fell 2.5%, small cap fell 3%. Nifty Bank is very pathetic. I think with this, in the last 1 week alone, the Bank Nifty has fallen 2,500 points. So that's about 5% in just 1 week. And then HDFC Bank keep on falling. I imagine this is the kind of a fall, and Nifty went very close to 23,350, just 60-70 point away from a November low. This is happening despite, there was a huge move by TCS. TCS, I already told you, the stock has fallen so much. Once the stock has fallen so much, even if the result is bad, so the stocks might not fall more from there. But even if there is a small positive news, there will be a hell lot of short covering. So that's what has happened. Right? So as a collateral damage, other IT stocks also moved higher. So the short covering happened across the board in all the IT stocks. But there ends the story. Except IT index, all other sectoral indices were in red. And all other major indices also in red. So broader markets doing very badly. So FIIs have sold once again. FIIs have sold for about how much? 2,550 crores, while the domestic institutions have bought for 4,000 crore. But still, they could not stop there, or they could not arrest the fall. So anyway, so it's a weekend, time to enjoy. So we'll see on Monday morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.